Hello everyone, this is Parrish. Today is Saturday, April 21st, 2012, time 6:09 a.m. This video is about a prophetic sound I just received at 6:07 a.m., April 21st, 2012, time 6:07 a.m. Now, what you see before you is a video I made, and I placed this video in my YouTube channel called Captain Parrish. So basically, at 6:07 a.m. I was watching the video, and all of a sudden I heard a powerful sound from our future, and it sounded like this: boom, boom, boom. It startled me. It frightened me. If this sound was a real physical sound, or audible sound, I truly believe it would have broke some of my windows here in my home, located in Bed-stuy, Brooklyn, New York. Basically, this is all I have to say, and take care, everyone.